Hello, this is Don Rowe. I'm adding a little video to my newsletter and or Facebook post and other social media posts that I'm making, and which I enjoy making, by the way. But I want to discuss something I think is pretty exciting to me, and I think you will feel as well. Is that there's a financing program out now, and only certain lenders in Louisville are offering it. And it's basically called a RIGHT, Right at Home Mortgage Program, or a community-based program. Again, only certain lenders are doing this. But here's the exciting part. And there's no strings attached to this, by the way. So you can buy a property with no down payment. And typically, as you might have explored this, if you don't know, that usually a down payment is required unless you're a veteran or unless you're buying outside of Jefferson County in rural housing, as it's called. But it's too, though, so no down payment. Think about that. Secondly, the interest rate is a little bit below the normal rate that you normally would get. So you're getting a below market rate, fixed, not adjustable, fixed for 30 years. And here's the icing on the cake. Typically, if you're putting anything less than 20% down, most often the lenders will require you to pay a private mortgage insurance, or PMI as it's called, and that usually equates to about 0.5%. So you have your long-term 30-year rate financing, then you add in your private mortgage insurance of 0.5%. It adds up. In this case, you don't have it. So below market rate, fixed, no down payment, and no private mortgage insurance. Heck of a savings there. There are some income qualifications that we can discuss. And here's another thing too, your credit score does not have to be spectacular. Again, you may have a credit glitch here and there, but that's something we will explore as well. It has to be owner occupied. Can also be manufactured housing. It has to meet certain requirements. But again, overall, what a program, don't you think? So are there closing costs? Yes. They're minimum, or minimal, I should say. And whereas maybe the seller will pay for those. In fact, I'm involved in a transaction now where the young man is getting 100% financing on this program just described, and the seller is paying, I think, $2,700 or $2,900 of his closing cost. I think you do have to put, at least you yourself have to put at least have $500 into this program at least. But that's something we'll discuss. And here it is in a nutshell. You owe it to yourself to peel back the layers to find out what your financing options are. If this works for you or if it does not, what else is there? And there are other programs, believe it or not, that will give you money, $6,500, $7,500, up to $10,000. And we'll explore that as well, that type of thing. So again, call me, 502-314-0522. Take advantage of my decades of experience. Take advantage of my love of what I do. I'm in a blessed business, if you will. God is a blessing to me. I love real estate and I love the people. We combine those two together, and man, I'm a happy guy. And I want to utilize my experience to your benefit. The key thing is no obligation. So call me. And plus, this may not be applicable to you, but I'm sure I would think that you would have friends, associates, relatives, whomever this might. And so tell them, have them call me. I'm an open book. We'll discuss everything and anything about this, but these programs are available for you right now. So I hope to hear from you. Thank you so much.